All right, so we got the 2025 GMC Sierra AT4 done, finished. I just got this little plate in yesterday and popped it in, and I believe that is the last piece that I need. The only thing I have left is I want to take it. It has a Carolina squat. When I figured out, when I put the bigger tires on it, which I believe everyone says, oh, you can put 37s on it, blah, blah, blah. Well, I wanted a wider tire. This is a true 35, 375, I think, or 395. I can't even remember. Let's go look and see. 325, 60, 20. So it's a nice big wide tire, 35. I don't need it any taller because, frankly, this is tall enough. It comes with a factory 2-inch lift. And when I got it up on the lift, I found that it already had leveling kit. It already had keys in it for the torsion bars. So the problem with that is it has a Carolina squat to it, a little bit back there. So I did order some 1-inch spacers for the back springs so I can level it out. I got to align it. And what else do I need to do? That might be it up there. I think I got everything else done. Right now I'm putting in the amber lights. I don't even know if I'll like them, but we'll plug them in and see what they have. I just ordered the Stealth tuner for it, which I was very on the fence about because it's almost $1,000. It's $825. Do you buy? Nobody makes anything for 25 yet, so at least I haven't found anything. I'd love to hear if there is something out there. But do I buy the Banks kit for $2,500 that gives you a true 100 or gives you 86 horsepower, I think? So this Stealth thing, I'm going to plug it in and see if it works. We'll do a review. If it doesn't, I'll sell it to somebody. If not, we'll go with the Banks or wait for somebody else to come out where I can do a delete. Put the tonneau cover on the back. And really, that's it. I do like the truck. I will say there are a couple things on the 2015. So this truck does not have any features that the 2015 did not. So I was a little surprised at that. I thought it'd have something a little bit more technology oriented. The cameras are much better. The screen is much bigger. But past that, as far as amenities, like heated, cooled seats, blah, 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 it's all the same stuff. But I do like the truck. The two things I've found that I have not been happy about. So number one, on this side, you have 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive switches, and then you have the headlight switches. When you're sitting in the truck, you can't see this switch. So if you want to put on your fog lights, you want to switch something around, you actually have to turn your head, look around in there. But when you're sitting in the truck, you can see your auto 4-wheel drive switches, no problem at all. Why would they not? They're the same thing. Why not put them on the opposite side? So I think those are one of the things I'm going to see if Adam can do, can swap those switches around so I can see what's going on. And then the other thing is, you got this nice, big, beautiful screen right here. Well, when you put this into drive, you cover up a quarter of the screen. I can't see anything down here. So when I'm driving down the road and I want to press a channel, I can't. I'm like, what? Why? Why would they do that? I'd love to find a fix for that. Anybody know on that one? Other than that, I love it. It's nice. It's a beautiful interior. So we'll keep it for a while. And that's about it. Gonna do some rearranging in the bed right now and go to work. Like, subscribe, comment. We're going to do a bunch more reviews here lately. I've been going crazy on Facebook buying a bunch of the crap that everyone says, oh my God, look how well this works. Well, I'm going to break that down for real for you. So we're going to figure out what works and what doesn't work. And as it comes in, I'll start doing little videos and posting it for you.